All right, here we have a Simplicity walk behind. Kind of an unusual 3-speed reverse type of thing. I did not get this engine started. Let's see if it's loose. Yep, it's loose. Little compression. Tires, chains, cultivator in the back. It will come as a set. It will include everything you see. Plow, sickle mower. There's a better one. The sickle mower is for parts. The roller is not for it. All right, this is the other one. This was a runner. It is loose. It has a cultivator. Tires are up, hold air. Has not been run in a year or two. Has cultivators and a better sickle mower with it. All pieces is one lot for sale. Reach out if you're interested, please.